Hey guys, Kingsley here. Exporting videos without a background in a snap. Our straightforward tutorial will teach you the exact steps to remove background and unleash your creativity. Get ready to level up your editing skills and create seamless overlay with ease. Let's dive in and export like a pro. First thing first, we are going to create a simple graphic on Fusion. So we are going to begin by creating a Fusion composition. We are going to drag it to the timeline. We are going to zoom in. So we are going to hit this, which is a clip, and we are going to go to Fusion. So in Fusion, we are going to create a simple graphics here. Okay, let's go with background, and we are going to make it rectangular. Let's make this like a subscribe type thing you usually see on YouTube videos. Okay, so I'm going to fast track this process, but if you want to know more Fusion knowledge, don't forget to check out my previous tutorials on building nodes in Fusion. They are packed with valuable insights and step-by-step instruction to help you become a Fusion pro. So let's say this is what you're trying to export, and you're trying to add this to your videos. When you go to deliver, okay, so I'm gonna name this sample text. So we are going to choose a location. I'm gonna locate my external drives, so I'm gonna save it right here. Okay, so let's say I want to export this video. Let's export this video first, and I'll show you what this video does. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna export this video. So I'm gonna add to render, and I'm going to render this video like this, and I'm gonna show you the difference. It's going to be quick because it's a short video. Okay, so let's get back to edit. In order to show you what's happening here, I'm going to get a plain color, and I'm going to change this plain color to this color right here. Okay, so I'm going to add that file that I just rendered. So, okay, so I'm going to open my files. So I'm going to add this to the media pool, and I'm going to drag this back here. Okay, so I'm going to add. So now you see what happens. It has a black background. This is the same clip I just rendered. And if I take this out, as you can see, I have a solid color clip below. So if I move this out of the way, you can see that it's a bluish type of background. Then if I move this, it's a black background. Okay, so let me show you now how to deliver this without a background. So we are going to go back to deliver. Now, in order to export the graphic without the background, we simply have to go to the settings, okay, with custom export. Okay, so we are going to go to export videos, and we are going to make some simple changes. Okay, so we are going to go to the codec, okay, and we are going to change this to GoPro Cineform. Okay, on the type, we going to change that to 16-bit, and we are going to come down here below frame rate. We don't need to touch the frame rate, and we are going to select export alpha, and that's it. So when we add this to the render, well, it's going to say rename because I have the same name. So I'm going to rename this to let's put something else. I'm just going to put 3 just to give it a different name. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and let's render this out. Okay, let's render this. Okay, so that is done. So we are going to go back to edit and we are going to see what happens. Okay, so let's add that file that we just exported. Okay, so it's right here, sample text 3. Okay, so we're gonna add this to the media pool. Let's close this back. Let's move this a little bit. Okay, so now the background is no longer showing on the video. Now that's a difference. If this video has been helpful to you, show some love by smashing that like button and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more content.